All right, I'm in Facebook. 337.5. I got in right at this low. So I have a 3 minutes and the 5 minute on the right side. So we need to get above this 334.55 area. Remove that. That's kind of like a point of control. We need to get right above it, and then we need the moving averages. So the moving averages that I'm using is 5, 13, and 9. So we need to reclaim the 5-day moving average and kind of curl up. So we'll see. ES and NASDAQ are looking to rebound here. We are up about 8%. We have 4 contracts. So if we see some, if we can reclaim this 334.55 level, the next level of resistance is the opening price, which is the 335.18. So right around this area here, make that yellow. So got to get above that. And the next level to watch out for is the high of day. I usually start taking profits at 15%, 15 to 20%. So we'll see. Let's look at the 10-minute, how the 10-minute is looking. 10 minutes looking good. I hope this is not an inside day candle on the 10-minute though. Next 5-minute candles coming up in less than 1 minute. So we might not see the next move until then. Would like it to open above VWAP. My VWAP is this blue line right here. So VWAP is right around 334.19. Right there, 334.19. So let's see. Indices are still looking good. NASDAQ still looking good. So I'm inclined to hold this play. Here's the next 5-minute candle. The next 10-minute candle will be in the next 5 minutes. So we are kind of in this downtrend right now. Let's make this white. But we are making higher highs and higher lows. We're getting rejected at the 5-day moving average, as well as the VWAP. So sellers are present there. My stop loss would be candle closes below the 333.15. So if we get candle closes right below that, like on the 5-minute, or an aggressive big candle right below it, then I'll get out. We don't have any supply zone on Facebook until like 337.87. So volume is still picking up. Tesla now breaking out of the supply. Oh, I should have taken that. But NASDAQ now pushing up as well. It's looking good for Facebook. My first target would be if we're gonna struggle around the 335.19 area, which is the opening price, or 335.18. I'll exit one contract. Kind of don't want to be in this trade for far too long. This is a day trade, scalp trade. There you go. Now we're reclaiming VWAP and the 5-day moving average. Now we just need the 5-day moving average, which is the green line, to kind of like curl up. We're up about 10%. The overall sector for XLC is looking good, which is that's where Facebook is at. So I'm liking it. Two more minutes until the next 10-minute candle. How's the 15-minute looking? It's not bad. 30-minute, an ugly 30-minute on Facebook. It's like a doji. Come on, Facebook. Overall market is pushing. I'm waiting for this next 10-minute candle. If we're not going to push in the next 10-minute candle, I'll probably get out and just take some profit. Facebook is struggling. Come on, gotta make that move now. We are kind of creating this wedge. So just trying to make it look pretty. There. Yeah, we're really struggling here on reclaiming the VWAP. We're getting pinched. Let's look at the 3 minutes. Market's pulling back. Let's see. NVDA is looking good as well. So I might get in NVIDIA. Oh, let me put this one. I'll put Facebook here. I might jump in a trade on NVIDIA as well. I'm watching Facebook here. NVDA. The 290 looks good. Let me just buy one for now. Let me buy one for now. All right, I'm in NVIDIA too. Target is the high of day. If we can get above the high of day, or if we dip back to like kind of like test this two, I wouldn't want it to test this low. As long as we test, maybe test the moving averages, I'll probably add some. But Facebook is really struggling. So I'm in two trades right now. NVIDIA, 290 calls, and Facebook, 337. We were up about like almost 13% or something like that, 10 to 13%. But we decided to hold. But right now, NASDAQ and ES are pulling back. So it's not looking good for our play. But we got to respect our stop losses. Volume is slowing down on Facebook. Hope we don't just consolidate here. Probably add one here. I added one on NVIDIA. I have two contracts now on NVIDIA. Let's make this white. Make this red. Come on, NVIDIA, don't give it up. Oops. So we're forming wedgies here on both Facebook and NVIDIA. As long as we don't get candle closes below the moving average, I'll be fine. But our stop loss is below 280. We get candle closes below 280. Let's see on a 10-minute. Still look good on the 10-minute. Don't do it, NVIDIA. Don't do it. ES and SPY are now coming down. might buy one more contract here on NVIDIA. Just one last one. Okay. Now I have 3 contracts on NVIDIA. I like it when buyers were present. I mean, if you're looking at this Wix right here, buyers are really pushing it up. So I was more convinced that buyers are in control. Sellers were trying to kind of push this down, but buyers kept stepping in. If you look at the volume, volume is still there. But Facebook is really, really struggling here. We're now green on both trades. Again, same target. Target is high of day. I'll start trimming. If Facebook can't close above this, above VWAP in the next 5 minutes, I'll probably take profits. But looking good. There she goes. We're up 12%. I'm gonna try to exit one out here because I was just planning on grabbing 2. I hate it when it does that. Let's make this 3 so it doesn't change. All right, getting out of the wedge. This is perfect because it's 10:09, so the next 5-minute candle will open above the wedge if we can hold this price. Now there is demand here. I'll mark that. It's kind of hard to see right there. Now there's demand here. Our moving average is now curling up. We are up almost, it was 15%. We're finding resistance here now on Facebook, but we are up 10%. We are out of the wedge as well. So this is an opening range. So as you can see, if a stock is coming down below the opening price of it, it usually finds resistance there. So once it gets above it, that could be like a good support. You can like mark out. But right now, all the moving averages are curling up. So this is looking good. Looking really good. I'm going to take profits here on Facebook. Trim 1. 20%. I still have 3. This is kind of like a double top here. So going to be watching that as well. Let's make this red. NASDAQ is really pushing, so I'm more inclined to hold these. So let's see what happens. But target still high of day. I think this is going to be my next target, 336.35. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push. I'll probably trim one here. This might be too early, but I might trim one here. I have 2 left for each. If I can get 20% on this NVIDIA, I'm going to trim another one. Trimming another one. Now I'm just holding... I'm still holding 2 on Facebook, holding 1 on NVIDIA. So Facebook, a touch of that, I'm going to sell 1. That is a double top. Let's look at the 10-minute. How's the 10-minute looking? 15-minute. It's not bad. I'm going to sell another one on Facebook. Market's pulling back again. I might just sell them both. I don't want to deal on the... Alright, I'm all out. Good trade, guys. Good trade.